A damaged or burnt fan relay coil cannot be reliably repaired and should be replaced to restore safe operation. A coil on a relay is a wound conductor that creates the magnetic field to move contacts, and when it reads open line or shows visible burning, the magnetic function is lost. Test the coil with a multimeter on the resistance scale. An open line reading means the coil is broken and there is no continuity, so it cannot generate a magnetic field. Even if the coil shows some continuity, thermal damage or partial shorting changes the coil resistance and causes unpredictable operation or excessive heat. So compare the measured value to the manufacturer specification or a known good unit. When replacing, match the relay by coil voltage, contact rating, form factor, and response time, and also verify the mounting and socket style, so wiring and clearances remain correct. For safety, isolate power, tag out, and discharge any capacitors before removing the relay, and document wire positions or take a photo for accurate reinstallation. If the relay is part of a control board, consider replacing the entire board only if the board has other damage. Otherwise, use a direct equivalent relay and inspect for heat damage to surrounding components. Common mistakes include assuming a relay that clicks is good even when the coil is partially damaged, which can be fixed by measuring coil resistance and replacing any unit out of specification. Another frequent error is substituting a relay with the wrong coil voltage or lower contact rating. Always verify the stamped ratings on the old relay and the spec sheet of the replacement and install an exact electrical match. People also overlook trace or connector damage near a burnt relay, which can cause repeated failures. Inspect and repair scorched traces, crimp joints, and socket contacts before installing the new relay to prevent recurrence. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides tools to post project details and receive bids, so our community helps you find options that fit your needs. We also support contractors by listing available work and maintaining a discussion community where our members share experience and practical tips.